Are you ready to unleash your greatness and achieve your dreams? Exciting to. Magbibigay ako ng 5 secrets para i-unlock mo yung potential mo. First, of course, you need to know what you want. Set clear goals and ano ba talaga yung why mo. So, what drives you? Number 2, trabaho, trabaho, trabaho. Trabaho lang tayo. Be consistent. Don't just dream it, you have to do it. Pangatlo, don't be afraid to fail. Remember, failures are stepping stone to success. Learn from them and rise again. Pang-apat, surround yourself with winners. Remember, the people around you can lift you up or drag you down. Choose wisely. And last but not the least, believe in yourself. Sino pa ba ang maniniwala sa'yo, kundi ikaw lang din. You are capable of greatness. So don't let anyone tell you otherwise. So yun lamang ang mga summary, 5 summaries, how to unlock your full potential. And remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Keep pushing, keep grinding, and keep believing yourself.